Hello there. The purpose of this video is to show you how to print to a subset of pages to a PDF file. So here I have a 4-page publication, but I don't want to print I only want to print page 2, none of the other pages. So normally when I go to File, Print, this setting right here is set to print all pages, but I can change that. I can click right here in the pages field and type just page 2, click on print right there. I get my save as dialog box here and save, and then we're creating the PDF right there. Notice we're sending one page. And here is my Adobe Acrobat popping up here, and there is my one page of my PDF file. I hope this helps.